Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom-coded template in Hubspot. In order to do that, you can first navigate to the Design tools, head over to the Marketing tab, and then from there, click on Files and Templates. Alternatively, you can also search for Design Tools by clicking on the search bar and typing Design Tools. This will open the Design Manager, so go ahead and click on that. Before creating a custom-coded template, it's helpful to have a clear idea of your layout and design goals. Think about responsiveness, branding consistency, and how content will be updated later. Many users sketch a basic wireframe or reuse components from previous projects. Testing your template in a sandbox environment is also a smart move. This helps avoid layout issues, broken modules, or styling conflicts once the template is live and used across pages or emails. Inside the Design Manager, you'll see the option to create a file. Click on Create File, then choose how you want it built, such as HTML, CSS, or Hubble. For this example, I'll choose HTML and click Next. Next, select whether you want to create a full template or a template partial, then choose the template type and enter a file name. For example, let's name this file Index and click Create. Once the file is created, you can start coding directly in the editor. Keep in mind that you'll need a good understanding of coding to design and customize this properly. That's all for today. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.